The ripple effect is growing tonight, from new airport screening protocols to questions surrounding Ebola quarantines. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo appears to be easing restrictions, allowing medical workers to be quarantined at home. However, New Jersey Governor Christie is defending the stricter policy, saying it's necessary to protect public health. Now the nurse held in Newark may present a legal challenge. She claims her civil rights are at risk. CBS 2's Matt Kozar begins our team coverage live in Newark with more. Matt?
Well, Cindy, despite having no symptoms and having tested negative for Ebola, nurse Casey Hickox says she's being forced into isolation here at University Hospital. Her attorneys say they are filing a federal lawsuit, and this case could have national implications.
It's just a basic tent structure. There's a hospital bed, obviously, to bring me food. I have kind of a porta potty type restroom. No shower facilities.
The nurse who treated Ebola patients in Sierra Leone is now a patient herself. Only Casey Hickox might actually call herself a prisoner.
I think this is an extreme that is really unacceptable, and I feel like my basic human rights have been violated.
This will be her third night quarantined inside this isolation tent. Hickox providing this inside look at her temporary home, her attorney snapping a picture from the outside, where he was forced to speak with her through a plastic window.
It's almost like treating people who are doing the right thing, who go to West Africa. They come back here and they're treated, quote, like criminals and prisoners.
Hickox is the first healthcare worker quarantined under new screening rules set by New York and New Jersey's governors. Attorneys Norman Siegel and Stephen Hyman say politicians are feeding into the Ebola hysteria and in the process are violating people's civil liberties.
I think that there has to be a toning down of what has taken place here by the government.
The first thing I would say to Governor Christie is that I wish that he would be more careful about his statements related to my medical condition. If he knew anything about Ebola, he would know that asymptomatic people are not infectious.
University Hospital says it's doing everything it can in a difficult situation, saying in a statement the patient has computer access, use of her cell phone, reading material, magazines, newspaper, and requested and has received takeout food and drink.
It's really inhumane to make me stay for 21 days, to not be with my family, to put me through this emotional and physical stress is completely unacceptable.
Well, Hickox and her lawyers say they're worried that the policy set by New York and New Jersey's governors would discourage American doctors and nurses from going to West Africa, which desperately needs the help. Reporting live from Newark, New Jersey, Matt Kozar, CBS 2 News.